This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks activation. Sign into your Apple ID and enable two-factor authentication when required. Once done, update your device to the latest iOS, iPad OS, or tvOS so Apple Arcade appears in the App Store. Make sure you have an accepted payment method or enough Apple ID balance to begin a free trial or subscription. These steps remove common roadblocks and explain why the service needs a current OS and a valid billing method. Now proceed to access You now enter the subscription flow by opening the App Store and tapping the Arcade tab. This centralizes Apple Arcade offers and curated games. Next, pick a plan that fits you, monthly, yearly, or family sharing, to share access across 6 family members. Choose Start Free Trial if available. Then confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password and accept the terms. After confirmation, the Arcade catalog unlocks. Make sure to explore featured collections and use the search to find games that match your interests. You finish by installing a game. Tap Get or Install from the Arcade catalog and launch immediately. Games are included with your subscription and have no extra purchases. Once installed, make sure family sharing is set up if sharing access, and manage your subscription from settings Apple ID subscriptions. If something goes wrong, like games not appearing, sign out and back into your Apple ID, update the OS, verify your region and payment method, and only then contact Apple support for account-specific problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.